Alright guys, the package has arrived. We got another Novie, but this is the green one. The black boxer is not coming in because it's still in Phoenix, Arizona. Last month we got the red one. That was in January. I think I bought this on eBay. I don't know if I got this. Look, I got this this green Novie. I got this at Walmart. This is the Walmart shipping delivery. I think there was more green Novies. As of 2025, green Novies is still available at the Walmart online, only for shipping. But I think it's only a few left of this stock because the Novie robot and Spin Master boxer robot got discontinued. If we're bankrupt or something, just like the Anki Cosmo. Starting on Easter, like at March or like at St. Patrick's Day or Easter, we will get the emo robot. Because I don't have any money, that's why I'm feeling jealous about. I should work at McDonald's when I'm older. Alright, but for now, Novie. Well, boxer, the black one will be arriving. January we had the blue version, the original Novie, the original boxer. I think it's only 4 colors of Novie. There's no orange or yellow. It's just green. And March we will get the blue one. Until February 29 we could order it. Because there's no leap year 2025. As you can see, hold on a second. As you can see here, there's sorry about that, it's just a controller. Forgot to change it to February. Right here. I'm going to put it on later. Oh, I think I did it already. Alright, we will keep it right here. Alright. It's going to start unboxing. Starting on Easter, I'm going to get emo. Well, St. Patrick's Day is like Iron. I do not celebrate that because I am Hispanic. Kind of Catholic, actually. Alright, let's start unboxing this. But first, you know what, guys? I think we're going to use Elinor and the ponies today since I don't have much time. Because I'm going to relax soon because I just got back from school. Today's Wednesday, so please note, Kind Master on this channel will be every Wednesdays from 4 to 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or Standard Time. Alright. We're gonna use Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Rarity, Fluttershy, and Applejack. 6 ponies and 1 robot. 7 characters. 7 characters. Yeah, 7 characters. And 8 will be Elinor. We're gonna use 8 gangs for today of this. 6 ponies and 1 bunny. Alright, are you excited?
Yeah. I can't wait to see it. Is it? I'm excited. Yeah.
Alright, ponies. You could have us take a seat for a second.
Yeah. Can't wait to open it.
Alright, Elinor. Let's go get the key. Well, I'm not gonna show it just because I'm not a butcher or different type of material tools like keys or dangerous stuff. Because I don't want to get community guideline strike. So we're gonna skip that part and I'll see you when I open it. So that'll be it. I'll pause the camera. Now I open the box. Let's see what's inside here. I don't know if it is. Oh yes, guess what? Yep, here it is. Sadly, we couldn't get the red box of this Novie. Wow. Alright, let's put the camera down right here. Let me sit a chair. And here it is. We're going to use Twilight Sparkle. And so I'm going to turn on this. Do not go anywhere, Novie. Alright, here's Twilight Sparkle.
Yes, I can't wait.
Alright, oh.
Ow, that hurt me.
All right, Novie, let me turn it off. All right, here we go. Let's go unbox the green Novie. March, we will do the blue, and April, the purple. Let's start with the green for today. I think it opens here. Look at this. They have tricks on the back. We're not sponsored by Spin Master, because I don't know if it's for million subscribers only or something, or membership. All right, let's start unboxing this. Wait, how does it open? Oh, there's the tape right here. All right, I think it opens right here. Hold on, guys. Having some troublesome. Trying to. There we go. Jesus. All right, there we go. Let me see what else is in here. Oh yes, they have tricks, but the red one they didn't have included here. They have an instructions. Oh, this is just like the picture right here, like this. Yep, just like in the picture. I don't know if this is in English. Yep, this is English actually. I thought it was French. This is the instructions. Here's the. Oh no, I'm not gonna show this one because I don't want to get any private information on this. All right, but here it is. Here's the Novie. Well, the eyes look like fake. Well, the real one, you're going to see it. So here you go. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. All right. And here it is. Those eyes are kind of fake. I'm not gonna put it in the garbage. I'm gonna probably keep it. All right, here it is. Let me see if they have batteries. Oh yeah, they have batteries. Oh wait, but it won't turn on for a second. Wait, well, it won't turn him on. Hold on a second. Have to. Hold on, guys. I'm going to stop the camera for a second, so that'll be it. We're still using the batteries of the green Novie, as you can see here. But I don't know if it is gonna work. But I try to find the batteries. But guess what? With Nintendo Switch, Joy consoles are the same color, just like the red Novie and the green Nintendo Switch Joy console controller. They're exactly the same. Red for Coca-Cola and green for Sprite, 7-Up, and I think Mountain Dew, and Stray, or formerly Sierra Mist. Oopsies, I just turned on the controller. It's not time for streaming yet. Let me just turn it off. these Joy consoles away. Finally, we put the batteries now. Turn off the light. Focus camera. Alright, now we just turn on the, let's turn on again. I'm not gonna get Boxer or Cosmo in this video just because I don't have much time. Wait, why is he red? Oh, he's yellow now. Oh, look, his eyes are, I don't know if the green one is yellow or, yeah, he is yellow actually. Look at that color. Wow. That reminds me, when I flip this way, that Novie's eyes kind of looks like the number 8, the LEDs. If I go like this, or that side, with red and green, that'll be 88. I just made this number LED eyes. That's the 88, and that's 8 only. See this, look. 88, and, oh, sorry about that. I made 88 and the number 8 with LED eyes. Is that crazy? When we look at this, it kind of look like, if I put the number 88 or, oh, actually, yeah. The color, no, the eyes are kind of like number 8 or the number 8 eyes. We won. Yep, victory. We just finally put the batteries. Took like 1 hour. Took like 1 hour to find the batteries. But we just cleaned it. Right, Rainbow Dash?
Yep, I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. Yeah. Alright, everybody. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this unboxing video.
Alright. Hope you like it.
Okay.
And Elinor?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Alright, I hope you guys like it, the unboxing video of the red and the green Novie. Alright guys, hope you guys like it. This is owned by Spin Master. Alright everybody, hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.